Hi, and welcome back. I think today, see it's kind of bright outside. I'm going to try to do my videos earlier in the day, just so I have more time with family. But it is getting colder outside, so we might be firing up my little heaters we got in here. I got to pull one down from the rafters, but it's not so bad in here right now. But today, I think we're going to put this little pan back in. Fasten it like I fastened this one down, and then pull it off and probably punch holes in that top part, this side part over here, pull this flange off, punch holes in this one, piece going across here, and if we make it to it, we'll pull this pan off and drill the spot weld holes over that brace, and on this pan over this brace, and punch holes in this pan. Punch holes in this pan because it sits over this pan. Anyways, I'll take you over there and show you. But be a lot of hole punching and drilling today, I think. I think here on out, I'm gonna keep my videos, try to keep them under 15 minutes if possible. It just seems to be, I don't know about better quality, but just better retention in the video. Shorter videos, people seem to stick around longer. And two, it makes my goals I want done each video, makes them more attainable. Like, I think I can do that, which it'll be probably at least half an hour to an hour doing it, but I think I can make it 15 minutes or so. But anyways, let's hop over there and I'll show you what I mean. It's kind of confusing how I said it earlier. Okay, what I'm wanting to do today is put this pan back down here, and I'm gonna fasten it down more so it won't move. And then I'm gonna mark where I need to drill spot weld holes to follow this brace here. And then I need to do this one too. Drill some spot weld holes in it. And if I get this one drilled and these drilled for this pan, I think we'll be doing pretty good. And if I got time, I'm gonna take this off and punch holes here, punch holes here on this little flange here, and up top here, and along this edge here, because this will go here and it'll overlap the floor pan, this edge here on this. I don't believe I can get all that done today, so what I'm going to focus on is getting these braces, this brace drilled and this brace drilled for spot weld holes. But first we got to fasten this down to where it's going to stay but not move. And then we get that done today. Then tomorrow we'll punch holes and start making these little pieces to put in there for the patches. And then if we get that done, I'm hoping to mock this back up and cut it where we need to cut it and see how well it fits along here. And hopefully that'll be it'll fit nice and we don't have to worry about anything. But if I get all that and the inner rocker kind of screwed down on it, I'm going to try to get a family member that he knows how to weld really well to come in here and kind of help me spot weld it, show me how to spot weld, and I may see if he can help me just fix these really thin spots all the way through here. See if he can help me with that. I mean, it's, like I said before, it looks like it's stuck because it's moving, but I just don't like being able to see through it. And then I'm gonna really push myself this week. Maybe mock up the kick panel, and that way he can help me weld that on too. So it'd be nice if we can get this whole side done this in a couple weeks. But right now, let's fasten this one back down, drill it, or screw it down, mark when you need to put holes, and mark when you put holes, and see where we're at, see what time it is. I don't know if you saw much of that, if I got in the way or not, but we got these drilled in to the brace and the two pans connected all the way up and over. Kind of like the way it looks with the screws, but I know it's not structurally sound. I mean, it feels good, it feels solid. Not a lot of flex, but these will give us an idea of where to punch the holes through here, and then where to drill the holes through here. Same way with this brace here. We got spots that we can drill. And of course, this will be punched on this side. It'll be punched right here, punched through here, punched on this edge here, all the way down. But yeah, kind of look the ways I kind of like the way the screws look in it. Makes it look industrial or something, I don't know. Be nice if I could leave them, but I want it done right, so I'm gonna take this pan back out and take this pan out, and we'll drill in some holes for the spot welds. Because we just need to do 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and that should get us looking good. we got them out. They're gonna take a little bit of time, and you can tell, but these have some metal where we screwed through. I'm gonna take a little bit of time and file all the holes down on that pan and right here on this one. We already did these holes back through here, so I'm gonna do that right quick. I went ahead and filed those off camera. Got it fit pretty smooth back there, but I think that'll do it for me today. It took a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take. Sorry for the lack of content, but fitting and refitting, making sure you got your panels just right is, I think, is pretty important to getting everything looking right. And I don't want to say square, but I mean, get everything where will connect everything else just right. I'll probably take these in and out a few more times at least. It's probably gonna drill and punch, put it back on there, see if it fits right, take them back off, make any adjustments I need. Hopefully, once we drill and punch it, everything will be fine. But there's a chance we have to take these back off and put them back on, back off, back on. But that's just how it goes. I mean, I wish I could have put the pans in there. It fit perfect, and I just have to, you know, punch some holes and just spot weld them in. But like most of y'all probably already know, these pans, I think these 4 pans are made in Taiwan, so they're not precise to what the Broncos are. There's always some adjustments you have to do, and that's with any kind of body panel you buy aftermarket. I don't think there's any new old stock. If there is, it's probably pretty expensive. But if you can get any hold of any of that, that'd probably work a lot better than the aftermarket sheet metal. As you can tell from my previous videos about the door peelers, those are gonna be a nightmare to put on. But anyways, kind of getting off here. Next time we'll drill these out and we'll punch everything, put it back in. If it looks good, and I'm thinking it will. If it looks good enough, then we'll dry fit the inner rocker. Maybe start to cut it. Yeah, start to cut it. We're keeping that little section over there that's attached to the, because it's not real bad. We'll have to make a cut in the rocker panel down here and then straight up, and the rest should fit that way. But we'll kind of put that on. I may go ahead and cut it too, but we'll get to that once we get this everything where we want it and everything screwed down. Then we'll worry about the inner rocker, and I'm hoping to have that cut and fitted, so when hopefully if I can get him to come over, he can help me weld all this in, and that would be awesome if I have this done by the end of this week. But right now we're in the fitting phase, so we'll have to keep messing with it until it fits just right. But anyways, sorry for lack of content again. Like I said, it's just a bunch of fitting and bending and pushing and hammering. But we'll definitely drill these brace spot welds out and punch next time. And hopefully next video after that, we'll be putting the inner rocker on, seeing how that fits. But just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Really means a lot. I think last week I was at 148. Now I'm at 156, I believe. And that's just amazing to me. I say thank you for taking the time out to watch my videos. It really does help the channel out, and it helps me out. Gets me people coming in that know more about this than I do. give me advice. Anyways, getting off again, but thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you get a chance, I got some shirts that I haven't got yet. Down in the description below. I might tag in the comments too. Like I say, anything that I make off that is going to go directly into this to get it further along. But that being said, I'll see you on the next.